How to edit video on Instagram without posting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches while using the app in the device. Now as you can see, my app is updated to its latest version. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and turn on the airplane mode. After that, I'm going to go for Instagram application. Now just make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the plus icon, and here you can just select any video randomly. Here I'm selecting this one, and you can tap on edit video, or you can just create any video edits over here, from adding music to stickers to text. After getting satisfied with your video editing, you can just tap on next and then tap on share. Now it will start to share in the Instagram post. Remind you that the Wi-Fi and cellular data has been turned off and it is in the airplane mode, so we're expecting it not to share on Reels or in the Instagram as a post. So we're just gonna wait until it gives a pop-up. So it has given the pop-up that it is not posted, and they will try when there's a better connection. So we're just gonna go back to the gallery. We're gonna go to the gallery and you can see the edited version of the video over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.